Here's how to change PDF font using Adobe Acrobat. All you have to need, click on Edit PDF and then select those text you want to change font. And here under text format, click on this font drop down. And now you can select a different font for your selected text, just like this. And now I'll show you how to change a entire specific page font at once. All you have to need, select the page and then press Ctrl A to select all text from the page, and then click on this font drop down and select a different font for the specific page. Here we can see the font is now applying to the exact page. And you can go to another page, select the page and then press Ctrl A, and you can select a different font for the specific page. That's it.